Juju, what do you think of him, huh? What do you think of this little monkey? He's cute, huh? He's cute, Juju. He's cute.
No,
What's he do? What's he do? Oh, hold on. Oh, jeez. Dove off the couch. Oh, no. Yeah, you stay down there. You're dangerous, little guy. Slow down. Shh. Slow down.
let's bring him over here.
Just slow down, Mountain. No, he can't.
Kind of wiggles
Can't slow
sideways
down.
sometimes.
I can't slow down. I'm a puppy.
Oh, buddy.
You idiots. Juju, say hi.
Hold on,
Hey, Juju. Hi.
boy. Okay.
There he goes. Whoop.
You like your belly rubbed? If you can
Nope.
relax for half a minute.
He can't hold still.
I mean, I wonder if that's part of the condition. I mean, granted he's a puppy and all, but
I think it's just
you know.
lots of energy.
Look at you. Whoa! Call him the missile. Shot. If he has something to lean up against, and you can kind of make it work. He has his moments.
Yeah. When he slows down, he does good. He gets too...
I think that is a lot of it. He gets too excited.
Gets all sideways.
He expects too much.
There, okay.